बालिका राष्ट्रीयता अमरीकी अपनाई। सरल सुगम स्वभाव भारतीय संस्कृति की महक फैलाई। उपमा के सामाजिक कार्यों द्वारा की गरीबों की भलाई। तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय और वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की शान बढ़ाई। विदेश में निवास करके विश्व हिंदी ज्योति की ज्योति जगाई। साक्षरता, साहित्यिक ज्ञान एवं विद्या का दिया अनुदान। श्रीमती नीलू गुप्ता, मुबारक हो आपको प्रवासी भारतीय का यह सम्मान। Mrs. Neelu Gupta, Professor of Hindi at De Anza College, Cupertino, and founder of Upma Global and Vishwa Hindi Jyoti. Both these non-profit organizations have been rendering selfless services since over 15 years now and spreading our mother tongue Hindi, our Indian culture and etiquette, as well as feeding and educating the underprivileged children, especially those below the poverty line and those residing in the deep tribal areas which are extremely backward and truly in jar. To this end, Mrs. Neelu Gupta has also made personal efforts through her brother Motilal Gupta, who runs Said Mam, which is free of cost, full-fledged CBSE affiliated computerized school till 12th grade. At De Anza College, she has taught in person thousands of students our mother tongue in a very simplified manner and helped many to love Hindi, which is a foreign language to them, as also receive college credits for their benefit. Every year, Mrs. Gupta conducts Vishwa Hindi Divas, which is also on a to-do list by the Government of India, and we have seen as much as a turnout of over 500 people in this mega Hindi event. Big congratulations, Neelu ji, again on this special honor given by the President of India and bestowed by CG Dr. TV Nahil Prasad to you. It's not easy to be the chosen one for such a prestigious award and a single award for an Indian American woman in the whole of USA.
Neelu Gupta has been awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award for promoting Indian culture. Ms. Neelu Gupta is a professor, curriculum developer, writer and translator of Hindi language and is based in the United States of America. She is the founder and chairman of Upma, Uttar Pradesh Mandal of America, a leading not-for-profit organization dedicated to promoting Indian culture and providing free education and health care to poor, unprivileged children. She has received multiple awards in the field of Hindi language and has made immense contribution towards popularizing Hindi language on a foreign soil. Ms. Gupta is an active participant and volunteer in several Bay Area not-for-profit organizations. She is also a leading member of various Bay Area Hindi organizations such as the India Community Center, Senior Center, Bay Area Hindi Samiti and World Hindi Foundation.
We are so honored at CGI San Francisco that out of 5 Pravasi Bharatiya Awards, 2 have come to San Francisco. One is Professor Neelu Gupta ji. We are all proud and honored. Give her a big hand because I come from a place where I used to speak Hindi. No, I saw Kaiku Karta. That is the thing. And I graduated to, aisa kyun kar rahe hain aap? So that is the graduation from Hindi. नीलू जी के साथ हमेशा हमको डर लगता था कभी भी हिंदी का भाषण देने के लिए. So I used to take help of Ramakant to correct my Hindi. So thank you very much. You have been contributing very richly. And not only Hindi, not only the language, she has been very instrumental in forming this Upma. She's the founder, and also she was actually propagating and encouraging people, not only our own Indian origin people, but also some foreigners. I saw her students singing Hindi patriotic songs very beautifully on Hindi days. So that is all her effort. So no wonder that no government of India has recognized her rich contributions to Hindi language and Indian culture.
Thank you very much for this prestigious award. And there was 2-3 options to go and receive this award from the President of India, which was a great privilege. And then there was another offer from the Ambassador of India to go to Washington DC, receive this award. And the third option was to receive this award from the hands of our very esteemed, he's really very close to my heart, I can say. So this was my pleasure to receive this award from our own Consul General, T.V. Narayana. And all of my board, the colleague of the CG साहब, अपना Consul General साहब का जो पूरा कौंसलावास, everybody is giving me so much. Every time, whenever we need anything, they are day and night. They are there. And since 2006, I am working for this. I have founded this Upma, Uttar Pradesh Mandal of America, because I am a daughter-in-law of UP. I am a daughter of Haryana, but daughter-in-law. I was president for this Upma for 10 years. 10 years I was president. Then I felt myself that I'm not that capable and it should go, and then I asked Ritesh Tandonji to come and take the seat, and he did a great job. I have no words to thank him.
I'd like to announce that President of United States, Mr. Joe Biden, they have given the award to all the board members of Upma. So I just want to say, this is I just will take 15. So I'll start first with the Niluji. I'm going to take only 1 minute for every person. You all know about Niluji, but one thing I want to share, she don't drive. And even though she don't drive, we are all here doing the great work for the Upma and Upma community. And she is, I can say, most youngest person. If I had two Niluji, I can say that we can eradicate education problem in the world. So, Time Achievement Award from President Joe Biden for the meeting.
हम पास रहे या रहे दूर, भारत है हमारी आंखों का नूर. हम पास रहे या रहे दूर, भारत है हमारी आंखों का नूर. हमारे दिल की धड़कन में, सांस सांस में, दिल की हर धड़कन में बसा हुआ है भारत.
Just sort of selfless giving, love, and care to everybody in the family, to the community, and it's great to be here with you guys today.
The medals, the honors, the people, the numbers, it is huge. It is phenomenal.
We can say as grandchildren from, Dadi, I think it's just amazing what she...